Lassi is a traditional yogurt drink made by blending yogurt with water or milk. It can be sweet or savory and is enjoyed throughout South Asia, especially during warm weather. Basic ingredients: yogurt, cold water or milk, sugar or salt, ice cubes. Sweet Lassi. Ingredients: 2 cups yogurt, half a cup cold milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, ice cubes. Blend until smooth. Serve chilled with chopped pistachios. Salted Lassi. Ingredients: yogurt, cold water, salt, roasted cumin powder, mint leaves. Blend well and serve cold. Perfect after spicy meals. Mango Lassi. Ingredients: fresh mango, yogurt, sugar, milk, cardamom. Blend until creamy. Top with mango cubes. Strawberry Lassi. Ingredients: fresh strawberries, yogurt, honey. Blend together. Garnish with sliced strawberries. Rose Lassi. Ingredients: yogurt, rose syrup, milk. Blend until smooth. Decorate with dried rose petals. Banana Lassi. Ingredients: banana, yogurt, honey, cinnamon. Blend until thick and creamy. Perfect for breakfast. Chocolate Lassi. Ingredients: yogurt, cocoa powder, sugar, chocolate syrup. Blend well. Top with chocolate shavings.
Mint lassi.
Ingredients: yogurt,
Fresh mint.
salt, cumin. Blend until refreshing. A great cooling summer drink. Pineapple Lassi. Ingredients: pineapple chunks, yogurt, honey. Blend until smooth. Garnish with pineapple pieces. Dry Fruit Lassi. Ingredients: yogurt, almonds, cashews, pistachios, cardamom, sugar. Blend everything until creamy. A rich and nutritious drink. These were 10 easy and refreshing homemade lassi recipes that you can enjoy all year round. Whether you like sweet, salty, fruity, or rich flavors, there's a lassi for everyone. Which recipe was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.